I am laughing, but it's not funny at all. I'm gonna spin you guys around so you can see what has happened to the greenhouse. This is what's happened to the greenhouse. This, I just turned it over. It was flipped just like these. Yeah. The greenhouse was being stabilized with these stakes down. This side is still down. But yeah, this is what happened to the greenhouse. Oh, oh my goodness. So, ah, look at all my giant purple mustards, everything. So, my husband and my son is gonna help me. And I was really trying to be careful and not lose any tags and mistag things. But apparently, it's a different plan. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.